All right, good morning, y'all. Sorry that I was not able to meet with you this morning like I had planned. There was a meeting that was scheduled right in the middle of my morning, so that meant that it was right in the middle of most of my Google Meets. So instead, I had you work on your own. I hope you were able to make that work. There wasn't a great deal that any of you had to do. Remember that you need to make sure that you're working on your book a quarter for most eighth graders, really for all eighth graders, because that's really what we're working on, even in the honors group. Make sure that you're reading your individual book a quarter for yourself, or if you're in the honors group, make sure that you are reading the text that we are together. You have quite a few pages to read on your own. That is posted in Google Classroom for you already. We did leave off on page 19, which was March 16th, for those of you in the honors group. But DGP Monday, for all of you looking at DGP Monday, you have 2 proper nouns, 3 nouns, 2 adjectives, 2 preps, and a verb. Okay. One of the proper nouns should stand out to you pretty quickly, and since it's the day of a week, and that would be Saturday. Okay, so Saturday is always going to be a proper noun, so we're going to capitalize. Another thing you would capitalize is a last name, which is Anderson. Now this has an S on the end, which means there's more than one living in that house, we would assume. Okay, it's also possessive, so you're looking at a possessive proper noun. All right, still have 3 common nouns to find. One is going to be where the Andersons are, and that's their house, or at least where their table is set at. That brings us to our next common noun, which is table. Okay, table is a thing. You're able to find it, you're able to identify it, you're able to see it, touch it, everything. It is a noun. So looking at all of our common nouns, that takes care of all but one, and that's because it's not an amateur, it is a pronoun. So I is the first person pronoun. It is not referring to an object at all. It is naming a major person within our sentence. So it is a first person nominative pronoun. All right, we have left to find our 3 adjectives. Okay, I'm sorry, 2 adjectives. They both are articles. Remember, a, an, and the. A, an, and the. Okay, all are the only 3 articles in the English language. You do have 2 prepositions as well. 2 prepositions. If you just look through your list of your DGP help notes, what you would find is that at and on are both there. So you have 2 prepositions. That means that on Tuesday you will have 2 prepositional phrases. Okay. So one word left, and that is set. Set is an action verb. You can actually set everything up, and it is the past tense of the verb as well. So this was something someone did at a house on Saturday. So it's something they did in the past. It is an action verb past. Okay. DGP Monday. If you have any questions, any concerns, please reach out to me by email. I'll be happy to help you. Other than that, y'all have a great day.